Hello. Um, right now I'm going to download the MySQL server. Go to choose the 5.7.43. Go into download page and choose this one. Download. No thanks, just start my download. Keep. Okay, now it's done downloading. Trying to install it. Okay, I'm going to custom. Next, MySQL server. Choose the 64 one. Application, workbench, 64. Going to go next. Execute. Okay, so now it's done installing. Go to next. Ready to configure. Next. 3306. Next. Root password gonna be root 1234. Root 234. The next. MySQL 57. Next. Next. Execute. Okay, now finished. Configure complete. Finish. Okay, now I'm trying to connect database. I'm going to connect root. Okay, root 1234. There. So now I'm going to execute this 3 lines of code. Paste it in here. And select them to execute all. All checked. So I'm going to connect the database. This time it's John. John. Okay. Password is pass1234. Okay. There. Now we're connected to John database. Now we trying to execute this code. Paste it in here. Select it out. Execute all. There. John Smith, Kathy Brown, Newton Franklin, or we can do select this. There. Work. Okay, now I am going to change the test to Java. To change this to pass 1234. already changed. Now go to Command CD. Now we're in this folder, trying to compile. Test2.java. And then we run test2.java. See. There. It worked. Good. Okay, now I'm trying to explain this test2.java file. So first few lines, they are importing necessary classes from Java SQL library. They are required to work with the database using JDBC. And define a class named the test2. So right here, declare several static variables to store database connections and statements. This will be used throughout this whole Java program. Right here, defines the program main method. The execution begins here. This try will print out a message to the console. Connect will connect it to MySQL database named testdb on the local host. This is a local connection. This will be the username for the database, and this will be the password. Statement connect create statement. This creates a statement object for executing SQL queries to the database. Result set statement execute an SQL query to select all rows from the student table and store the result in the result set variable. Write result set calls this method to print the data retrieved from the database. Prepare statement. This creates a prepare statement for inserting data into the student table. This statement has placeholders, this 4 placeholders for 4 variables. Right here, this sets of values for placeholders in the prepared statement. This executes the prepared statement